Just 5 more minutes.
Leo! Wake up! It is already 10 o'clock in the morning!
Oh, hi, Mia. Why are you here so early?
Early? The morning is almost over. You are wasting your life sleeping.
I usually sleep late on weekends. What is the problem?
The problem is time. We only have one life. We should build good habits.
Good habits? Like what? I do not know where to start.
First, we start with a healthy morning routine. Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay, I am in the kitchen. Usually, I just eat potato chips for breakfast.
Chips are terrible for your energy. You never eat healthy food. Look at these. Avocados, berries, and whole grains. These give you real power.
I rarely eat green food. Is it difficult to cook?
It is very easy. A good breakfast helps you think clearly all day.
Wow, this is actually delicious. Maybe eating well is not so bad.
Exactly. When you eat well, you feel well. You stop being lazy.
I feel better already. But what do I do with the rest of my day?
Now that your body has energy, let's talk about your mind and your goals.
I do not have any goals. I just play video games after work.
Video games are fun, but they do not help you grow. You can use this computer to learn amazing things, like world history or a new language.
Learn a new language? Like English? That sounds very difficult for me.
It is not too hard if you practice a little bit every day. Start with basic words.
Okay, I will try. I want to travel and learn about different historical periods.
Great job on your first lesson. Now, let's go outside and move your body.
Wow, the air is so fresh here. I usually stay inside all weekend.
Staying inside is boring. The real world is beautiful and full of adventures.
You are right. Running is much better than sitting on the sofa. Look at that cute dog. I never see things like this in my dark room.
Let's sit down for a minute. We need to plan your new schedule.
A schedule? Yes, I want to change my life. I will not waste my time anymore.
Tomorrow, you will wake up early, eat a healthy breakfast, and study for 30 minutes.
I can do that. 30 minutes is easy. And then I will go for a walk. Oh!
That is the spirit, Leo. Every day is a gift. Make every day count.
A new day. I woke up at 7 o'clock today. I feel great.
I am very proud of you, Leo. Changing a bad habit is a big step.
Good morning. Good morning. What would you like to order today? I would like 1 black coffee and a croissant, please. Of course. That will be $5.50, please.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Now that we have our breakfast, it is time for your 30 minutes of study.
Yes! Today, I want to learn some English vocabulary about world history. Whoa.
That is a fantastic topic. History helps us understand the present.
The pyramids are very old. and very tall. Am I saying it right? Oh no! I am completely lost! Where am I? Excuse me, do you speak English? Do you speak English? I need some help, please. Yes, I speak a little English. How can I help you? I am looking for the City History Museum. Is it near here? Yes, it is very close. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. Ah, I understand. Thank you. Are you reading about Egypt? I love history too.
Yes! I just started learning today. It is very interesting.
Keep studying. You have good English. Have a great day.
Mia, did you see that? I talked to a foreigner. He understood me.
I saw it. See? Learning new things opens new doors for you.
This is much better than playing video games all day. I want to learn more. And eating a good breakfast gives me the energy to do it.
Okay, smart guy. Let's finish your coffee and read the next chapter.
Let's do it. I am not going to waste any more time. That coffee was great. Now, I want to read a real book about history.
The library is the best place to learn. But remember the rules. We must be very quiet here. People are studying.
Wow, there are so many books. I do not know where to look.
Hello there. Do you need help finding a book?
Yes, please. I am looking for a book about ancient world history.
History books are on the 2nd floor, next to the large window.
Thank you very much. Let's go up, Mia.
I never came here before. I used to think libraries were boring.
Here is the history section. Now we have to find the right book. Look! The book you want is on the top shelf, behind the blue dictionary.
Got it!
This book looks very heavy, but very interesting.
Let's sit down here and read for a little while.
Look at these old cities. People lived so differently in the past. I can almost see them building the castles. This is amazing!
Reading a book is much better for your brain than scrolling on a phone.
You are totally right. A phone gives you short videos, but a book gives you a whole world. I would like to borrow this book, please.
Ah, certainly. You can keep it for 2 weeks. Please bring it back on time.
I will read a chapter every night before bed instead of playing games.
Another great habit. Your days are becoming so productive, Leo.
I feel like a new person. I am not wasting my life anymore.
The library was great. Now it is time for some exercise.
Yes! A healthy mind needs a healthy body. Let's jog around the lake.
I feel so much lighter. I used to feel tired all the time. Sitting on the sofa all day made me lazy. Moving around gives me energy.
Exactly. Your body is like a battery. Exercise charges it up.
Let's sit down and watch the sunset. The sky is so beautiful. Today was a very long day, but it was a good day.
Let's check our list. You woke up early, ate healthy food, and learned new words.
I helped a tourist. And I borrowed a history book too.
Oh,
I did a lot.
you did. You stopped making excuses. You took control of your time.
Time is the most important thing we have. We cannot buy more time.
That is true. Every minute is a chance to learn, to grow, or to be happy.
What about you? What about you? What did you do with your time today? Are you sleeping too much? Are you playing games all day long? Yeah. It is okay. You can start again tomorrow. Just make a small change.
Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Eat something green. Read one page of a book.
You have a beautiful life waiting for you outside your room.
The world is big. There is so much to see and learn. Do not miss it.
We believe in you. You can build a great future.
So please, don't waste your life.
Make every day count. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Remember to practice your English.